Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In last class, we started ionization constant Ka of weak acid. Now see the next point. At a given temperature T, Ka is a measure of the strength of the acid Hx. That means larger the value of Ka, stronger is the acid. Here Ka means ionization constant of weak acid or as dissociation constant of weak acid. So just like pH, we can write pKa equal to minus log of Ka base 10. Ka value is more means that corresponding acid is a stronger acid. That means it can undergoes more extent of ionization. Ka value is less, that corresponding acid is weak acid. Okay. Next, knowing the Ka of an acid and its initial concentration C, it is possible to calculate the equilibrium concentration of all species, degree of ionization of the acid alpha, pH of the solution. So if we know Ka of an acid and initial concentration C, from these two values we can calculate equilibrium concentrations of all the species, both reactants and products, and the degree of ionization of the acid, that is nothing but alpha, and pH of the solution. So related to this, see the multiple choice questions. From below Ka values, which species is the strongest base? HCO3 minus equal to 4.7 into 10 power minus 11. HSO4 minus Ka value 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. H2PO4 minus 6.3 into 10 power minus 8. Three different ions are given, their Ka values are also given. Just now we completed. Ka value is more, that particular species is more acidic in nature. Ka value is less, that particular species acidic character is less. Here strongest base we want, that means Ka value is less, that particular species having less acidic nature and basic character is more. So from these three values, which one is least value means this one. 4.7 into 10 power minus 11. HCO3 minus having Ka value less Ka value for HCO3 minus. That's why its acidic character is less. So it is the strongest base. It has more basic character. So from these three values, HCO3 minus is the strongest base. Option A is the answer. Okay. Next. See the next one. The Ka values for HPO4 2 minus HSO4 minus are 4.8 into 10 power minus 13 and 6.3 into 10 power minus 8 respectively. Therefore, it follows the HPO4 2 minus is a dash acid than HSO3 minus. For two different species, Ka values are given. Now from this we can understand which is a stronger acid and weaker acid. Between these two, HPO4 2 minus Ka value is less than HSO4 minus. So HPO4 2 minus is a weaker acid than HSO4 minus. So in the first blank we can fill HPO4 2 minus is a weaker acid than HSO4 minus, and PO4 3 minus is a dash base than SO3 2 minus. So PO4 3 minus means it is obtained by removing proton from this. It is a weaker acid. So the formed conjugate base is stronger. It is the conjugate base of this one. It is a stronger acid. So the formed conjugate base is weaker. Therefore, we can say PO4 3 minus is a stronger base than SO3 2 minus. So for this, suitable option B. Suitable answer is option B. HPO4 2 minus is a weaker acid than HSO3 minus, and PO4 3 minus is a stronger base than SO3 2 minus. Students, I hope you understood clearly. So option B is the answer for this. Okay. Next. See the next one. pH of 10 power minus 6 molar HCl is HCl aqueous solution. That means more amount of water is present, small amount of HCl is present. Concentration is given 10 power minus 6 molar. For this pH we should find out. Okay. Given H plus ion concentration equal to 10 power minus 6 molar. Here given solution is aqueous HCl. Therefore we have to consider H plus ion concentration from H2O also. Already we know that from H2O, H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 7. Because here temperature is not mentioned. That's why we should consider at 25 degrees Celsius. At this temperature for water, H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 7. So pH equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration base 10 of HCl plus minus log of H plus ion concentration base 10 of water. So for this value 10 power minus 6, for this 10 power minus 7. From that, by taking 10 power minus 6 as common, we can get 1 plus 10 power minus 1. So by doing calculation, we can get finally this one. pH equal to 5.959. Okay. So what is the option? Just less than 6. Generally, you may do mistake. Here HCl is acid, given concentration is 10 power minus 6. So pH is exactly equal to 6. But that is not correct. Because here solution is aqueous solution. That's why H plus ion concentration from water also we should consider. Remember carefully. Don't do mistake. Next. What is the pH of a solution in which 25 ml of 0.1 molar NaOH is added to 25 ml of 0.08 molar HCl and final solution is diluted to 500 ml. As base is added to HCl, then the resulting solution is converted to 500 ml. What is the pH of that resulting solution? Okay, here NaOH is added to HCl. So base is added to HCl means what happens? Neutralization takes place. So neutralization reaction occurs. Therefore, we have to consider equivalence of HCl and NaOH. Here volume is given in milliliters. That's why we should consider milli-equivalence of the given substances. Milli-equivalence of HCl equal to volume 25 into molarity, that is 2. Milli-equivalence of NaOH, volume into molarity, that equal to 2.5. Say this, after neutralization, resulting solution is basic in nature because milli-equivalence of NaOH is more than HCl. HCl milli-equivalence 2, NaOH milli-equivalence 2.5. When these two are mixed, then resulting solution having basic character. Because NaOH equivalents, milli-equivalents are more than HCl. So remaining OH minus ion concentration equal to milli-equivalents divided by volume, that is 10 power minus 3. So H plus ion concentration equal to 10 power minus 14. Already we know that the product of H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 14. Here in this previous step we calculated OH minus ion concentration. So substitute here, then we can get H plus ion concentration equal to 10 power minus 11 and pH equal to 11. So what is the option? Option B is the answer for this. Next, see the next one. A weak base MOH of 0.1 normal concentration shows a pH of 9. What is the percentage degree of ionization of the acid? A general weak base, general formula MOH, concentration 0.1, pH 9. What is the percentage degree of ionization of that? Percentage degree of ionization of the base. Okay. See this is base, this is not acid. Next. See this, given pH equal to 9. Okay. From this H plus ion concentration 10 power minus 9. So OH minus ion concentration 10 power minus 5. Next, since MOH is a general formula of the given base, is a weak monoacidic base. Only one OH minus ion it can produce. So ionization equation, if we write MOH gives rise to M plus OH minus. So already we know that initial concentration C, this one 0, 0. So from this C alpha is decreased. Same concentration is formed towards product side, C alpha, C alpha. So OH minus ion concentration equal to C alpha, that equal to 10 power minus 5. Given concentration C equal to 0.1 normal. It is given in the question. This one 0.1 normal. Now we can write this as 10 power minus 1 normality. So therefore alpha equal to C alpha equal to this one. Now alpha equal to 10 power minus 5 divided by C. C value this, substitute here. Alpha equal to 10 power minus 4. Alpha is nothing but degree of ionization. Now we want percentage degree of ionization of the base. Say this. Percentage of ionization 10 power minus 4 into 100, that equal to 0.01%. This much percentage that weak base undergo ionization. Okay, next, if degree of ionization is 0.01 of decimolar solution of weak acid HA, then pKa of the acid. Here degree of ionization is given, pKa we should calculate. So given degree of ionization alpha equal to 0.01. Now given weak acid HA undergoes ionization like this, H plus A minus, initial concentration C for this 0, 0. From this C alpha concentration is changed to product. So for this C alpha, same concentration is decreased from weak acid. So finally at equilibrium we can get concentrations C into 1 minus alpha, C alpha, C alpha. Equilibrium constant for weak acid or ionization constant of the weak acid Ka equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Here alpha is negligible because what is the value? 0.01 means very small compared to 1. So alpha is negligible with respect to 1. So Ka equal to C alpha square. We can neglect alpha value in the denominator, then we can get this expression. Given decimolar solution, that means concentration equal to 0.1 molar. Now therefore Ka equal to 0.1. So this value is 0.1 into alpha 0.01 whole square, that equal to 10 power minus 5. Pk equal to 5. Okay. So what is the option? Option C is the answer. Next. A beer has a... Okay students, in the next class we will continue.